Now you'll remember translation from chapter 5 when you were doing other types of movement along with tessellation and so on. But now we're going to put it in mathematical terms. So here's our descriptor. It's to translate a point as described by an ordered pair at the coordinates of the ordered pair to the coordinates of the point. What that means in plain English is we have triangle ABC, which is our original shape, and then we have our translated shape, triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. To determine what our translation is, we have to pick one corner from our original shape. Let's pick A here, and we have to see how far it translates over to its corresponding side, which would be A prime. So the first value we're going to look for is our x value. That means the value that goes left or right. We're going to go over left 1, so that's going to be -1 for our x value, and then we count down 1, 2, 3. So the translation for this particular problem would be -1, -3. Again, the reason why, we go over 1, so we're going towards the negative, and then we're going down 3, 1, 2, 3. Hence, -1, -3. So this would be our answer for our translation. Now, if we wanted to, we could have done the same thing from C over to C prime or B over to B prime. It doesn't matter which corresponding parts you pick, just so long as they're corresponding, you're going to come up with the same answer for each. Now, a few of the problems in your book, they'll give you the initial shape and then they want you to translate it. So here we have triangle ABC again, and we're going to translate it by 1, -3. So the first move will have us going to the right 1, and then the second move will have us going down 3. 1, 2, 3. So from here you have one of two options. You can either translate each point the same way, so taking care of C over 1 down 3, or B over 1 down 3, or what you can do is start from the point that you just translated and then count over and then down how many points. So to get from A to C, I have to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then down 1. Either option is going to get you to the same point. Depending on how complex your shape is, may determine which method you use. Let's go ahead and finish this one up first. I've just put in point C, and for point B I'm going over 1 down 3. So the point will be right here. And then I'll just connect the lines. And this was our translated shape. So this would be A prime, C prime, and B prime. Not necessarily in that order, probably A prime, B prime, and C prime. So that is how you translate a shape using coordinates that they give you.